Hello, and thanks for watching. My name is Chris Mers, and I'm a solutions consultant with Siemens Digital Industry Software, focused on helping customers drive digital transformation with rapid application development. In the next 20 minutes or so, I'd like to discuss the journey to becoming a digital enterprise and how the Mendix low-code platform from Siemens is uniquely positioned to help customers along this digitalization journey. The world in which we live and conduct business is an ever-changing environment, but the current rate at which technology is fundamentally shifting all aspects of our lives is unprecedented. The emergence of artificial intelligence, machine learning, industrial IoT, and a wealth of other new technologies has changed the playing field for our own businesses and those of our customers. What is even more challenging, however, is that there is no end in sight to this technological revolution. The pace of change will only continue to increase as we move forward. So what does this mean for our industry, our companies, and even our own jobs? Well, in order to thrive under these relentless conditions, we must both as individuals and organizations embrace the change and the complexity that comes along with it. This isn't an easy task, however, as embracing change by leveraging new technology creates an abundance of systems and data that are often difficult to tie together and make accessible to the users in the context of their day-to-day roles. Rapid application development seeks to shift this paradigm by abstracting away these complexities and quickly delivering applications which satisfy the revolving needs of users. Let's take a look at a short video that introduces how Mendix is uniquely positioned to help this transformation.
What if you could streamline software development and make personalized, adaptable, modern enterprise applications? What if these applications could drive new levels of innovation and digital transformation throughout your organization? What if there was a new way to develop software that allowed you to integrate any data source and extend the possibilities of the digital twin, enabling you to differentiate your organization from your competition? There is Mendix, the low-code application development platform from Siemens Digital Industry Software, enables industrial organizations to jumpstart digitalization across products and processes. It includes 4 foundational components to deliver a unique blend of development agility, digital capabilities, and personalized experiences. Low-code development is a game-changing environment, enabling anyone, from your most seasoned developers to engineers and key business professionals, to build sophisticated, high-value applications using a simple drag-and-drop approach. Within that environment, we enable you to tap into the Accelerator portfolio through App Services. You can use these flexible building blocks to create new industrial apps or extend existing ones. And we make it easy to access and integrate data from any source, any system, and any data set, from our software to your ERP and CRM systems and beyond. Finally, IT and domain experts can collaborate and develop powerful multi-experience enterprise and industrial applications in a fraction of the time, from mobile applications with offline capabilities to augmented reality and virtual reality. Accelerate your innovation and realize amazing new possibilities with Mendix, the low-code application development platform from Siemens Digital Industry Software. Siemens Digital Industry Software, where today meets tomorrow.
In order to embrace this shift in the way that software is both architected and delivered, at the core is a need for an open and flexible ecosystem where data can securely flow to and from multiple systems in order to be made accessible to our users. The Mendix low-code platform enables this connected data hub, bringing together your existing landscape of information and driving optimized business processes through the delivery of applications that are tailored for any user device. The key, though, is making this data not only accessible, but also actionable. By creating containerized applications that extend upon your sources of truth, companies using the Mendix platform are able to drive process efficiency and eliminate technical debt. Users no longer need to constantly jump between multiple systems, manually re-entering data in order to perform their job functions. And as IT organizations, we can eliminate the costly need and maintenance headaches of customizing source systems to provide a unique experience for which they were never intended. The Mendix all-in-one low-code platform helps organizations abstract away the complexity of process integration by gluing together their data into enterprise-grade apps. So how does Mendix help deliver applications at rates far above and beyond traditional software development? The answer is by making development less code-intensive and more inclusive. The Mendix platform is designed to incorporate users across the entire organization into the application development process. By bridging the gap between business and IT, we can embrace the intellectual capital of our business users and maximize the skills of our IT professionals. This ensures that applications satisfy the evolving requirements of our users, hitting the mark the first time round. These business users can now also directly participate as citizen developers through the no-code Mendix Studio environment. In this environment, they're able to quickly ideate and innovate using drag-and-drop functionality to quickly build the foundations of an application from a set of reusable building blocks. Our more technical business engineers and even professional developers can continue to collaborate in real time with these business users through a common project model and further enhance the applications in low code using our Mendix Studio Pro IDE. This is where users are able to incorporate integrations, add security that comply with our governance model of our organizations. This common visual modeling approach across all developer environments and personas creates a common language and enables constant collaboration and reuse. This allows us to quickly turn ideas into enterprise-grade applications and continuously iterate throughout the lifecycle of the app. And as an all-in-one low-code platform, Mendix also allows us to seamlessly extend the platform if needed by leveraging existing business logic built in code or creating our own new extensions with common frameworks such as JavaScript or CSS. By widening the spectrum of developers, Mendix fosters innovation and collaboration, while at the same time providing governance capabilities for IT to monitor and control all activity within the platform. So if we look at the value our customers are seeing through the adoption of the platform, the speed and ease at which we can develop applications in Mendix is made abundantly clear. By leveraging the broader workforce, our clients are delivering applications in just a fraction of the time with even fewer resources than ever before. But it's not just about developer speed. The platform also provides consistency and governance to enable controlled innovation within the bounds of the IT organization, delivering applications with an uncompromising architecture and reducing the rise and risk of shadow IT. The applications that are built on Mendix by default are engaging for any device, allowing us to not only create modern and responsive web apps, but also truly offline mobile applications that meet the expectations of both your customers and your employees. And last, but certainly not least, the Mendix platform enables efficient execution of business processes within your existing landscape of systems, leveraging those existing investments and maximizing them at scale. Achieving this increase in operational efficiency and customer engagement is not just about the speed in development, but how we optimize and accelerate every step of the application lifecycle, from ideation through development and beyond to testing, deployment, and operation. By combining the core Mendix principles of speed, collaboration, and control, organizations are driving unrivaled time to value and delivering business-changing software in easy fashion. So let's take a little bit of a deeper dive into these three core principles and see how they are manifested within the platform. So if we begin by looking at how the platform enables speed and efficiency, I want to highlight just 3 key features that drive consistency in the development process. The first is Mendix Assist. Mendix Assist is the first ever built-in AI development assistant to both help train new users on the platform and increase the productivity of our seasoned professionals. Based on over 15 years of applications being built on Mendix, the AI assistant can predict and recommend the next action in a process, reducing the number of clicks to build an app, and also help optimize the performance of the applications that you build. Second is the ability to extend the platform without limitation by incorporating data and logic from a wide range of systems. Whether this is through the out-of-the-box connectors to some of the most common systems in industry, or directly via low-code integration based on standard protocols, Mendix can seamlessly fit into your ecosystem and deliver applications which drive efficiency across systems. And the third is the concept of reuse. By abstracting away the complexities of code through visual modeling, everything built on the platform is not only easily understood, but also reusable across applications. This allows us to build once and leverage continuously. Whether this is in the form of starter templates, widgets, or individual elements, developers have access to an expansive marketplace of building blocks for reuse. This marketplace is filled with components delivered by Mendix, Siemens, as well as our partners and the broader community of developers. In addition to the public marketplace of components that come with the platform out of the box, you're also given a collaboration space for your own internal private components. This allows you to bake your own company standards into starter templates, widgets, and connectors that'll be reused within your specific organization to meet your specific needs. Just as important, though, as speed and efficiency is how the Mendix platform fosters collaboration and provides control to the IT organization. The Mendix Developer Portal provides built-in collaboration tools for team development, feedback management, and agile methodologies, allowing users across different domains and roles to communicate clearly and work together to ensure applications meet the mark. Also, as a part of the platform, there's a comprehensive set of governance tools to implement and monitor security, performance, and quality, along with giving IT administrators a company-wide view of all activity within the platform. Finally, when it comes to managing the individual applications, the platform provides an end-to-end lifecycle support and control. This allows us to define who can perform what types of actions, such as develop, test, deploy, along with a full version control capability to tackle any project of any size. It's because of the technical capabilities of the platform, which drive speed, collaboration, and control, that our customers are accelerating every step of their app journey in leveraging their existing investments in systems and cloud. The range of applications that customers can and have developed on the Mendix platform is endless, but typically we group these into 4 value-added categories. The first is the ability to rapidly launch new products and business models, where companies like Avertra have quickly built out applications which provide a new set of services to their customers, generating a new revenue stream. The second is in the area of modernizing and digitizing customer engagements, where we see companies leveraging the multi-experience functions of Mendix to create a unique experience for both internal and external customers, whether that be tablet, mobile, or web-based applications. The third is driving operational efficiency, where companies like ConocoPhillips are using low-code to drive business automation and activities across multiple source systems. And the fourth main bucket is modernizing legacy systems, whether it's a paper or Excel-based process or applications that have been built on a burning platform. Companies are using Mendix to transform their legacy landscape and eliminate technical debt. All of this is because of the underlying flexibility and openness of the Mendix platform that allows us to fit seamlessly within your existing ecosystem, the ecosystem of today, as well as the flexibility and future-proof nature of our architecture to fit into your ecosystem of tomorrow. So let's take a look at just one example of how an application can tie together multiple systems, drive business efficiency, and provide users with a unique experience. What you see now is an application that was built in conjunction with our partners for a customer, Renom. Renom is an energy provider, and they needed the ability for operators and operations managers to track incidents and metrics on globally distributed assets. So without having to go to these different windmills that are scattered throughout the world, operations managers are able to diagnose and troubleshoot issues directly from their computer. They can view the virtual information, whether that's sensor data, and compare that with the engineering data to troubleshoot and put together a game plan on how issues may need to be addressed. This information is coming from disparate sources, whether that's engineering, simulation data, or even the IoT service information coming from the Siemens MindSphere platform. All of this is combined with our work order and asset service information to give us a holistic view of how our assets are performing compared to expectations. We can take individual assets and dive down deeper, or compare them holistically to get an output of how our total business is running. So hopefully that short demonstration helped contextualize the power and value of the Mendix platform. By bringing together all of the needed contextual data into a single portal, our operations and maintenance personnel can now make quicker and better informed decisions on globally dispersed assets. Now that's just one example of many that showcase the combined power of industry experience from Siemens and the technical capabilities of the Mendix low-code platform. This allows us to personalize and contextualize a comprehensive digital twin for your unique organization. Whether it's addressing use cases like materials management, supplier collaboration, or initiatives for a mobile connected workforce, Mendix enables us to leverage core software from not only the Siemens portfolio, but also your existing industrial systems to quickly and easily create enterprise-grade apps that drive your business and close the loop from design and engineering to planning and procurement through construction and commissioning and onto operations and maintenance. So let's have a look at one final example of how we can create a unique and individualized experience for different user groups within the organization and provide an actionable digital twin at those users' fingertips. So our plant maintenance and inspection application allows us to view the data contextual to the user's role. We first come in as a plant and operations manager who's able to see all of the relevant information to me based on the different assets that I'm responsible for viewing. Here, I can dive down deeper into the information that's scattered across disparate systems, the virtual representation of my plant generated by my 3D software, the historical information coming out of systems like IBM Maximo or other work order management systems. When an alert is triggered based on the sensor data that's being collected by an IoT platform like MindSphere, I can then dive into those sensor data, identify the root cause of the problem, and begin to assign the proper maintenance engineer based on availability to go perform any needed repairs or maintenance work. Once I've been able to assign a particular engineer to perform a maintenance activity or inspection on something in our plant, that engineer within the same foundational system and application has their own contextual view. But this time it's a native mobile app that allows them on their cell phone to take the required information offline into an area without service. We can track all of that user's activity, ensure that they're following the proper steps, providing them the right service documentation from multiple source systems. And then once that user's complete, allow them to check off and sign off on the different pieces of the different steps that they've taken to perform the required maintenance work. Similarly to our plant and operations manager, they also have full access to all of the source system data that's been taken offline for them to review. So to close, I want to thank you for your time today and hope you now have a bit of a better understanding of the value that the Mendix low-code platform from Siemens can bring in expediting your digital transformation. We certainly look forward to connecting with you on a deeper discussion and partnering with you wherever you may be on this digitalization journey. Have a great day.